and welcome to a lesson on standard form. We are finally going to be getting closer and closer, guys, to um, finding the solutions to a parabola or a quadratic function. Remember, the solutions that we care about are these x-intercepts or these roots, and we also call them zeros. And that actually, it's really important for us to understand that they're called zeros because when we solve them using factoring, we can only do it when they're in standard form, when they're equal to 0, because y right now at these points is 0. See this right here? The solutions are -1, 0, and 3, 0. So we care about these points only when y is 0. So while you've seen standard form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, once again, we only care about when y is 0. So we can only really factor and solve things when they're equal to 0. So here's an example, guys, of something that might not be equal to 0 right here. You'll see we have a 5x equals -3x squared plus 7, but 0 is not on either side. So you have to make the logical choice of should you turn the left side into a 0 or the right side into a 0. And because there's only a 5x on the left side, why don't we just subtract 5x? That cancels this out right here. And that gives us a -5x on the right side. But now everything's equal to 0, and now we can actually go in the process of factoring it. But that's not what this small little lesson's about. This small little lesson is about getting to this process. All right, so just keep in mind, guys, we cannot do any factoring steps until it's equal to 0. Let's go ahead and do one more example. Now, this is a case where we have multiple things on both sides, 2 and 2. So you could decide really to do either one. You could either move everything to the right to the left or everything left to the right. What I'm going to do is move everything from the right to the left because we have x squared over here. I just feel like doing that. So I'm going to get rid of the -4x first. I add 4x on both sides, and because there's like terms, I can actually combine this. So it becomes 2x squared plus 7x equals 8. And then I'm going to subtract 8, get rid of that positive 8, and that gives us 2x squared plus 7x minus 8 equals 0. Now, here's the thing, guys. Notice how this 0 is on the right and standard form has 0 on the left. It doesn't matter. Once you have one of the sides equaling 0, you can start factoring it and solving it. And that's what the next lesson is going to be about. So this was just a really quick show of what is the proper form, standard form, for us to be able to solve things with factoring. All right, guys, go check the next video. You have a good day. Bye.